Hi, this is Neethu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, and I'm going to share my seventh series of this video, Structure with Unstructured Data. Structured data and unstructured. What is structure? Structure means the data is highly organized and easily structurable by simple algorithm. It is often stored in database and follow a predefined format or schema. Example, relational database SQL, also known as SQL, structure query language based. Data is stored in a table with rows and columns. Spreadsheet, it's Excel sheet. Data warehouse, centralized repositories of structured data from various sources. Unstructured means data that does not have a predefined format or structure. It is a complex and less straightforward to analyze. Text documents like emails, reports and articles, multimedia video, images and audio files, social media, Twitter, Facebook and the commands. Data in motion is data in rest. Data motion means the activity being transferred between the location or the processed. This can include data being transmitted over network, real-time data streaming, or data being actively used in application. Real-time analysis, data being analyzed as it is generated such as live traffic, data or streaming social media feeds, network traffic, sensor data. Data at rest. Definition: data that is stored and not actively being transferred or processed. This includes data that is saved to storage system and not currently being accessed or modified. Example: data records, archived file, data on disk. And the role of machine learning. Machine learning plays the transformative roles across various domains by leveraging data to enable systems to improve their performance and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for each task, like data analytics, automation, enhanced user experience, healthcare and medicine, finance and investment, security transformation. NoSQL databases. The key structure of NoSQL databases is dynamic or no schema needed, adaptable, horizontal scaling, and key value documents, column family, graph, optimize the high speed across and low latency responses. Hadoop ecosystem. Hadoop means a distributed file system that provide a high throughput access to application data. Yarn, a resource management platform responsible for machine compute resource in cluster and using them for scheduling user applications. Hadoop MapReduce, we can use the Hadoop ecosystem tools, that is data injection, data storage, data processing. Apache is a tool of big data. A publish subscriber messaging system, fault tolerance, scalability. It is a scalable for workload, durability. Apache Spark. It is also a tool for big data. Hadoop in memories processing, distributed computing, and the visibility unified engine. Edge streaming analysis. Edge streaming analysis involves processing data stream in real time at the edge of the network, near the source of the data. This approach is particularly useful in scenario where latency in critical bandwidth is limited or data privacy in a concern. Key components: low latency, bandwidth efficiency, data precision and security, scalability, use cases. Network analysis. It is a performance monitoring, security, capacity planning, and compliance use cases. Exhibit Cloud for IoT is control device management, data ingestion, data storage and analytics, and the security. Ensures secure communication between device and the cloud devices, authentication, and the data encryption. Python Web Application Framework, Django. Django is a high-level Python web program. We can use a rapid development of secure and the maintenance websites. MVC architecture, ORM. ORM means object relational mapping, authentication and authorization, admin interface, scalability and the security. AWS for IoT. AWS is a Amazon Web services. Offer comparison unit of service for IoT is also known as AWS IoT. Device management, IoT core and analytics, security, integration with other AWS services. System management net configuration. We can use YARN and the AWS IoT and the Django network